Okay, this would be a good time to wake up. You know what I'm saying? Wash your face. Shine up the car today, you know what I'm saying? Get in contact with your closest ones. You know, them be the haters. Turn your back on your shit. Hey man, we ain't ready yet. Hey, Carter on the beat, man.
It's live, so baby.
I like my music loud, like my engine when I speed up. Fingers airborne if your grind can't be touching.
I got you.
Please get a toast for all the ladies that's gon' cut. Ain't no shame in your game, forget the ones that wanna judge. Hey, tell them we don't ride like that.
No, we don't ride like
I like my
that.
girls feel like my cup when I'm pulling up.
Yes,
That's what's
sir.
up. She said, do I go ham? Told her I go goose, hope you go nuts. Picture riding with a boss, baby. It ain't nothing but a lane.
Ever since I started rapping, I envision being smooth, chilling with bad youngins by the pool, no school. She know this dedication, blowing on this medication, give her every sensation, and baby, here's my declaration. I'm coolin' with my fools, Miami Beach vacation, and if you wanna live this life, apply by application. And all them suckers that was hating, check my Reverb Nation, killing in every nation. My flow is like an angry Haitian, ain't got no time for waiting, shawty, you gotta let me know. It's either you or me or Larry Hoover solo. I'm from the home of the carry out and go-go, always copping phone posits and always staying promo. You see the logo, watch me as I'm switching lanes. DMV's finest Larry Hoover, we did it again. It'll never be the same. Shout out to my cousin Los, they know our family cuz they saying that we do the most.